Celebrate God all day, every day. I mean, revel in Him, revel in Him, oh, revel in Him. Tell God what you need, tell Him what you need. Oh, tell God what you need, tell Him what you need. Thank Him for all He's done. Oh, thank Him for all He's done. Fix your thoughts on what is true and honorable, right and pure and lovely and admirable. Fix your thoughts on what is true and honorable, right and pure and lovely and admirable.